Hello student, today I am going to solve MCQ from magnetic effect of electric current class 10 দশমমান শ্ৰেণীৰ বৈদ্যুতিক চুম্বকৰ মই অতি চমু প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ সমাধান কৰি দিব বিচাৰিছো তোমালোকে চাবা So let me start the first question. Question 1. The force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field is the largest when the angle between the conductor and the magnetic field is. So now question is what? The force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field is the largest when the angle between the conductor and the magnetic field is. So now your time start. So what will be your correct answer? You will get 4 options from there. So among them you have to select the correct one. So option will be like that: 45 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree. So your time is now start. So can you able to select the correct one? এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ সময় আৰম্ভ হৈছে ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো কি হ'ব ক'ব পাৰিবানে The correct answer will be 90 degree. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব 90 degree. Question next. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is. So question is what? The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is. So here producing induced current in a coil to relative motion between. The correct answer will be a magnet and the coil. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব magnet আৰু coil. So question is what? The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is producing induced current in a coil to relative motion between. That will be what? A magnet and the coil. Sometimes this question may come like this. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is. এনেধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো আহিব পাৰে কুৱেশ্যন may come like this also. Then the correct option will be producing induced current in a coil to relative motion between a magnet and the coil. That will be your correct answer. এইটোৱে তোমালোকৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হ'ব. Now let me start the next question. So next question is okay. A motor is a device which converts electrical energy into. So start your time. The correct option will be mechanical energy. Question next. Electric motor can be used in. Electric motor ক'ত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়? So the correct options will be refrigerator, mixer, washing machine, etc. Where you will get these types of option, that option will be correct option. Okay. Question next. The electric motor works on which principle? So what is your question? The electric motor works on which principle? So your work now start. The correct option will be magnetic effect of electric current. So what will be correct option? Magnetic effect of electric currents. So now অসমীয়া মাধ্যমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলে যি অংশত ইংৰাজীৰ যি অংশত মেগনেটিক এফেক্ট অফ ইলেক্ট্ৰিক কাৰেণ্ট এই বাক্যশাৰী পাবা সেই অপশ্যনটোৱে কাৰেক্ট হ'ব গতিকে তোমালোকে ইংলিছটো চাই অসমীয়াত ধুনীয়াকৈ লিখি দিব পাৰিবা সাপোজ মেগনেটিক এফেক্ট অফ ইলেক্ট্ৰিক কাৰেণ্ট এইটো বি অপশ্যনত আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে অসমীয়াটো এইটো বি অপশ্যনতেই থাকিব গতিকে এইটো তোমালোকে চাই ধুনীয়াকৈ উত্তৰটো কৰি দিব পাৰিবা কুৱেশ্যন নেক্সট ফাংচন অফ কমিউটেটৰ ইন ইলেক্ট্ৰিক মটৰ most important question so the correct option will be what that will be what to reverse the direction of current question next magnet that used in simple electric motor or this question may come like this which magnet is used in simple electric motor সৰল ইলেক্ট্ৰিক মটৰত আমি বা বৈদ্যুতিক মটৰত আমি কেনে ধৰণৰ মেগনেট বা তলত দিয়া কোনটো মেগনেট ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ দ্য কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যন উইল বি পাৰ্মানেণ্ট মেগনেট নাও কুৱেশ্যন নেক্সট জেনেৰেটৰ ইজ এ ডিভাইচ হুইচ কনভাৰ্ট মেকানিকেল এনাৰ্জি ইনটু চ' কুৱেশ্যন ইজ what জেনেৰেটৰ ইজ এ ডিভাইচ হুইচ কনভাৰ্ট মেকানিকেল এনাৰ্জি ইনটু জেনেৰেটৰে যান্ত্ৰিক শক্তিক কিহলৈ পৰিৱৰ্তন কৰে দ্য কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যন উইল বি ইলেক্ট্ৰিকেল এনাৰ্জি অৰ্থাৎ বৈদ্যুতিক শক্তিলৈ নাও লেট মি ষ্টাৰ্ট দ্য নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নেক্সট হুইচ টাইপছ অফ কাৰেণ্ট ইজ অবটেইন ফ্ৰম এ বেটাৰী এটা বেটাৰীত কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কাৰেণ্ট পোৱা যায় দ্য কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যন উইল বি AC, DC, single AC, DC and none of this. So where you will get the DC option that means direct current that will be your correct option. So tumalke DC direct current paba hetue hobo shuddho uttor. Question next. Fleming's right hand rule is used to know the now your duty. So what will be correct option? Direction of induced current into or in a circuits. So correct option will be what? Direction of the induced current in a circuits. That will be your correct option. Now question next. The effect of heating on a magnet means. So what is the question? The effect of heating on a magnet means. Here the correct option will be magnetism will decrease. What will be the correct option? The correct option will be magnetism will decrease. Okay. So now next question. DC generator works on DC generator কিহৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি কাৰ্য কৰে so here the correct option will be what will be the correct option what will be the correct option what is the correct option electromagnetic induction so where you will get electromagnetic induction that will be the correct option so this question may come like this also the electric generator works on which principle so this question may come like this also the electric generator works on which principle then also answer will be what electromagnetic induction that will be the correct option য'ত ইলেক্ট্ৰমেগনেটিক ইণ্ডাকশ্যন পাবা এইটোৱে হ'ব শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ কুৱেশ্যন নেক্সট rule that used to determine direction of induced current in an electric generator is that means the rule that used to determine direction of induced current in an electric generator is that is what Fleming right hand rule so Fleming right hand rule will be the correct option Question next. Which device is used in generator to detect current? So this is most important one again. Which device is used in generator to detect current? Here the correct option will be what? Galvanometer. Question next. The AC current in India has a frequency of, that is what? 50 Hertz. So this question may come in different way also. You see the another question. What is the frequency of direct current? That means DC current. DC. Here the frequency will be 0. So here where you will get 0, that will be the correct option. Question next. A device used to change the resistance in an electric circuit is. Question is what? A device used to change the resistance in an electric circuit is. The correct option will be rheostat. Rheostat to তোমালোকৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হ'ব. Question next. In Fleming's left-hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of Flemingৰ বাওঁহতীয়া সূত্ৰ অনুসৰি মধ্যমা আঙুলিটোৱে কি নিৰ্দেশ কৰে? The correct option will be electric current. যত ইলেক্ট্ৰিক কাৰেণ্ট বিদ্যুৎ প্ৰবাহ দেখিবা সেইটোৱে হ'ব তোমালোকৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ. So now question next. The most important safety method used for protecting home appliances from short circuit or overloading is. So here the correct answer will be earthing and use of fuse wire or use of fuse. You can say use of fuse. Question next. The color of the live wire is what? Here you will get 4 options again. The correct option will be red, ronga. Question next. In our houses, we receive AC electric power of 220 volt with a frequency of. The correct option will be 50 Hertz. Hope you can able to understand this whole question answer. আশা ৰাখিছোঁ তোমালোকে এই প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰবিলাক যেতিয়া পৰীক্ষাত আহিব অতি সহজে এই প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰবিলাক দিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা. Question next. Magnetic effect current was discovered by, or who discovered the magnetic effect current? The correct answer will be Ørsted. Ørstedটোৱে তোমালোকৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হ'ব. Question next. Inside the magnet the field lines moves. Magnet এটুকুৰাৰ ভিতৰত magnetic field lines বিলাক কোনফালে গতি কৰে? ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব the correct option will be south to north poles. South to north poles অৰ্থাৎ দক্ষিণৰ পৰা উত্তৰলৈ, উত্তৰ দিশলৈ বুলি ক'ব লাগিব. Question next. By which instrument the presence of magnetic field be determined? So name the instrument that can determine the presence of magnetic field. The question may come like this also. Here the correct answer will be magnetic needle. Magnetic needle to hobo শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ. Question next. AC generator works on the principle of. AC generator কি নীতিৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি কাৰ্য কৰে? The correct option will be electromagnetic induction. Question next. Fleming's left-hand rule or Fleming left-hand and right-hand head rules are used in. Here the correct answer will be electric motor and generator. The question says Fleming left-hand and right-hand rules are used in. So here the correct option will be electric motor and generator. Question next. DC generator works on the principle of. Here will be correct option. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So the correct option will be what? Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Question next. In electric motor, to make the coil rotating continuously in the same direction, current is reversed in the coil after every half rotation by a device is. So the question is what? In electric motor, to make the coil rotating continuously in the same direction, current is reversed in the coil after every half rotation by a device is. Here the correct option will be commutator. Commutator is the correct answer. Question next. Main characteristics of fuse is fusor pradhan choritrotu ki ba mukhya choritrotu ki. The main characteristics of fuse is here high resistivity, low melting point, and don't burn due to oxidation. Where you will get three options. These three options all will be the correct option. The options are what? High resistivity, low melting point, do not burn due to oxidation. These three options are correct. So where you will get three options together, those options or this option will be correct option. Now question next. Earth wire carries. Here no current. Earth wire carries no current. Earth wire ketiyao current carry nokore. So here I can able to give another question again. That is what? The main advantage of AC, that is power transmission over DC power transmission over long distances. Question is what? The main advantage of AC power transmission over DC power transmission over long distances. That is what? What will be the correct answer? The correct answer is what? AC transmit without mass loss of energy. So what is the correct option? AC transmit without mass loss of energy. That is the correct option. Now question next. Commercial electric motors do not use. Commercial অর্থাৎ বাণিজ্যিকভাৱে ইলেক্ট্রিক মোটর কোড ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা নহয়. The correct answer will be a permanent magnet to rotate the armature. Okay, commercial electric motor do not use. The correct option will be a permanent magnet to rotate the armature. That is the correct option. So let me start the next question. If the current values periodically from 0 to a maximum value back to 0 and then reverse its direction, the current is. Question is what? If the current values periodically from 0 to a maximum value back to 0 and then reverse its direction, the current is. So this current is what? What will be the name of this current? That will be what? Alternative current. What is the correct option then? Alternative current. Now I want to tell you one more question from there. So the color of the earth wire and neutral wire is. Where you will get green and black, that will be the correct option. Green, সেউজীয়া আৰু ব্লেক কোলা. আৰ্থ ৱায়াৰটো হ'ব কি গ্ৰীণ আৰু নিউট্ৰেলটো হ'ব ব্লেক. আৰ্থ ৱায়াৰ উইল বি গ্ৰীণ এণ্ড নিউট্ৰেল উইল বি ব্লেক কালাৰ. Okay, hope you can able to understand this question answer and can able to select the most appropriate answer very easily during exam time without wasting time. Now question next. The pattern of the magnetic field produced by the straight current carrying conductor wire is or conducting wire is. Question is what? The pattern of the magnetic field produced by the straight current carrying conducting wire is. So here the correct option will be circular around the wire. So what is the correct option? Circular around the wire. So question next. The instrument that used to detect small amount of electric current in the circuit is called. So here will be the correct option. What? Galvanometer. The instrument that used to detect small amount of electric current in the circuit is called. That is what? Galvanometer. Now question next. A magnet is moved towards a coil, number A quickly and number B slowly. The induced potential difference is. So see the question carefully here. A magnet is moved towards a coil. Number 1 is given here quickly and number 2 is given here slowly. Now the induced potential difference is. So the correct answer will be more in number 1 than in number 2. So if quickly, that will be more, and if slowly, then that will be what? Less. Okay, so now correct answer will be what? More in number 1 than in 2. Okay, hope you can able to understand this type of question. And next question. Which current is used in domestic wiring? That is AC current. Question next. Which wire are base or which wire are used in household wiring? So this will be what? These are what? Light wire, neutral wire, earth wire. So these 3 types of wire or wiring we are using in our domestic purpose. So these are what? Live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. These 3 are correct option. So question next. Which types of connection is used or need in domestic wiring? So here it is better to use parallel connection. So now correct option will be what? Parallel connection. Now question next. So use of earthing is. So earthinor ব্যবহার to কি বা earthing আমি কিয় ব্যবহার কৰিব লাগে? Why should we use earthing in our domestic wiring? So the correct option will be what? To save electrical appliances from what? Damaging and to save from electric shocks. So the correct options are what? To save electrical appliances from damaging and to save from electric shock. So where you will get these 2 conditions together, that point will be correct. Or either you may get one condition. If another condition is not there, that first condition or second condition will be the correct answer. Now question next. Device that used to measure electrical energy, record or reading. এতিয়া আমি আমাৰ ঘৰত এইবিলাক বিজুলীবিলাক আমি কিমান খৰচ কৰিছো তাক কেনেধৰণে আমি জোখো. The correct option will be meter, electric meter. Now question next. So next question is, here I want to give you overloading happens because. So overloading কিয় হয়? That will be short circuits, yes, or of connecting many appliances to a single socket, or of high in the supply of voltage. Yes, this all will be your correct answer. So the correct option will be what? Short circuit to. So overloading happen when or because. The correct options are what? Short circuits. Where you will get short circuits, that is correct. or of connecting many appliances to a single socket, that is also correct, or of high in the supply of voltage, that is also correct. So these three may be sometimes together or maybe single, then this question may come, all of this answer will become like that, all of above, then you write the all of above option from there. Now question next. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid current carrying, yes, or carrying current. So the question is what? The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current. Here the correct answer is uniform, or sometimes it may not come as uniform, it may come as what? Is same at all points. So where you will get in is same at all points or uniform, that option is will be correct option. Now question next. The main differences between AC generator and DC generator is. So here the correct option is what? AC generator use what? Slip rings, and DC generator use what? Commutator. Commutator, that is the correct option. Now question next. An electric motor is a device, okay, which transfers. So an electric motor is a device which transfers. The correct option will be what? Electric energy into mechanical energy. Electric energy into mechanical energy is the correct option or answer. Question next. The nature of magnetic field line passing through the center of current carrying, okay, circular loop is. So here it is given what? The nature of magnetic field line passing through the center of current carrying what? Circular loop is. Here giving circular loop. So now correct answer will be straight line. Straight line is the correct answer. Now question next. Short circuits happen when live wire touches. So the correct option will be with neutral wire. Live wire dale jetia neutral wire logot touch kore tetio amar ki hoy short circuit hobo pare. So here neutral wire is given, so the correct option will be neutral wire. Question next. The copper wire inside a fuse is having. So why should we use copper wire inside a fuse? So the correct option is low melting point. So due to the low melting point, we should use the copper wire inside a fuse. So the correct option is low melting point. Orthat ihotor ki hobo golonankoto bahut কম হ'ব গলনাঙ্ক উতলাঙ্ক আমি জানো গতিকে বহুত কম হয় নিম্ন হয় সেই কাৰণে আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ নাও কোৱেশ্চন নেক্সট a fuse wire is connected in that is what series circuits ত আমি কি কৰোঁ fuse wire to connection কৰোঁ a fuse wire is connected in, because sometimes it may come fill in the blanks also. A fuse wire is connected in dress circuits, then the correct option will be series. So now correct option will be series circuits. Now question next. So find the unit of electrical energy recorded in electric meter, or select the unit of electrical energy recorded in electric meter. Here the correct option will be kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is the correct option. Okay. Now next question. Which finger shows direction of current in Fleming's left hand rule? Fleming or left hand rule কোনটো আঙুলিয়ে প্ৰবাহৰ দিশ দেখুৱাই বা নিৰ্ণয় কৰে that is why center figure is the correct option. Next question, which rule gives relation between direction of current, direction of force and magnetic field? So the here correct option will be Fleming's left hand rule. Question next, here given what natural magnet is. The correct option will be magnetite. The formula is FeTO4. So magnetite is the natural magnet. So now question next, here given which of the given is not attracted by magnet. So four options are what? Brass, steel, nickel, cobalt. So among those the correct option will be brass. Question next, a magnetic field line is used to find the direction of. So here the correct option will be magnetic field. Question next, the most important material used for making the core of an electromagnet is. That is soft iron. Where you will get the soft iron, that will be the correct option. So next question is what? You see, an induced current is produced when a magnet is moved into a coil. The magnitude of induced current does not depend on. So here given what? An induced current is produced when a magnet is moved into a coil. The magnitude of induced current does not depend on. So here the correct answer is the resistivity of the wire of the coil. So what is the correct option? The resistivity of the wire of the coil. Okay. Now next question, the direction of magnetic field lines in the region outside the bar magnet is. Here giving outside the bar magnet. So if outside is given, the correct option will be from the north pole towards the south pole of the magnet. So what is the correct option? From the north pole towards the south pole of the magnet. If inside is given, then the opposite will be the answer. Question next, right hand thumb rule is given by. That is given by Fleming. Question next, the shape of the field lines of a magnetic field across a straight conducting wire is. That will be circular. Circular is the correct answer. Now next question, a soft iron bar is induced or introduced inside the current carrying solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is. That is what? Increase. So here what? A soft iron bar is introduced inside the current carrying solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid will be what? This will be increase. So question next, in Fleming's left hand rule, the thumbs indicates. That is what? The thumbs indicate motion of the conductor. So where you will get motion of the conductor, that is your correct option. Now question next, direction of rotation of a coil in a electric motor is determined by. That is determined by Fleming's left hand rule. Okay. Now we are going to be last part of this question answer. So question is what? Electromagnet works on which principle? So electromagnet works magnetic effect. The principle is what? Magnetic effect. Where you will get magnetic effect, that is correct answer. Question next, the core of an electromagnet is made up of. That is soft iron. As I told you before also, I told this one. The question is coming like that also. So if it will come like that, then the answer will be what? Soft iron. Now question next, what happens if we increase number of turns in an electromagnet? So important question. So now what will be happen? Strength of electromagnet increase. What happens? Strength of the electromagnet will be increased. Now question next. What is the name of the organ of human body which produce magnetic field? So that is brain. Brain is the organ. So now question next. Select the permanent magnet or which of the following is the permanent magnet. So here where you will get bar magnet, that will be correct option. Bar magnet is the permanent magnet. Now question next.
What
When the
happens
maximum
when
force
a
is
current carrying
exerted
conductor is
on the
placed in
conductor,
magnetic field?
if
So see the question
is
here.
placed
What
in
happens when
magnetic
a
field?
current carrying
So here what
conductor is
happen? You
placed in
see,
magnetic field?
here the correct answer will be what? A force act on it and no force act on it. So these two options where you will get both are correct option. A force act on it or no force act on it. So these two options are correct option. Now question next. The next question is the factor on which that is what one magnetic field strength produced by current carrying solenoid depends on. So here the correct options are magnitude of current, number of turns, nature of core materials. These three options are correct option. Where you will get these three options, those will be your correct option. So now what? Magnitude of current, numbers of turn and nature of core material. Now question next. Next question is what? The strength of magnetic field around current carrying conductor is, that is what? Directly proportional to the current and inversely proportional to the distance from the wire. So here that will be the correct option. Now question next, what? If the direction of current in a solenoid when viewed from a particular inch in anti-clockwise, then this end of solenoid will be, that is what? North pole. Uttor dish hobo, uttor meru hobo. Now question next, that will be your last question from this section. So the last question is the force act on a current carrying conductor when it is placed. So here the correct option will be parallel to the magnetic field. So parallel to the magnetic field will be your last option. And with this we come to end of the MCQ session from magnetic effect of electric current class 10, and thank you for watching my video and keep watching my video so that you can able to get your success in science. Thank you.